Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my YouTube channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. So friends, today I am going to analyze the movements of Bank Nifty. Here you can see of Bank Nifty where I find that how the Bank Nifty looks to behave during the upcoming trading sessions. Here you can see that after finding a good support at the level of 28526 on 15th May 2019, we've seen a sharp upward move in Bank Nifty, whereas on May 20th, here you can see a gap up in Bank Nifty makes it a strong buy. But I don't find it a strong buy after the formation of this exhaustive candle in a daily chart, where I find that this exhaustive candle is evident enough to keep the Bank Nifty under selling pressure during the upcoming trading sessions, because this is the last sign where the Bank Nifty tested the highs of 31,726, and after touching these highs, Bank Nifty witnessed sharp sell-off on May 22nd and May 23rd up to the level of 30,380. No doubt that the Bank Nifty witnessed a bounce back once again. Here you can see that the Bank Nifty faced stiff resistance on the same levels, and since then we have seen a downward move, which indicates the thick presence of BS above the level of 31,676, where I find these will be the levels where the BS like to go short in Bank Nifty. Therefore, I find that if the newly formed government is not able to come to meet this immediate concern of growing non-performing assets of Indian banks, we will see the Indian banking sectors to remain under bearish pressure during the weeks ahead. Therefore, I find that I would like to go short in Bank Nifty with a stop loss at 32,365, where I find that this will be my first shorting zone, where I find that below this immediate resistance at the level of 31,787, we will see Bank Nifty to make sharp downward moves, and if the Bank Nifty finds a breakdown below the level of 29,873, we will see Bank Nifty to take a sharp downward move up to the levels of 28,627, where 200 days moving average may provide some support in this downward trend, from where we may expect a bounce back in Bank Nifty up to these levels, up to the level of 29,934, where once again we will see Bank Nifty to remain under bearish pressure up to June 6, because if the Reserve Bank of India is not given full autonomy to meet the concern of growing non-performing assets of banks, I don't find any improvement in Bank Nifty. On the other hand, I don't find any reason to go long in Bank Nifty till this problem of growing non-performing assets remain unresolved. We will see Bank Nifty to remain under bearish pressure, because here you can see that the Bank Nifty is facing stiff resistance at these levels since May 23rd, when the Bank Nifty tested these levels first time, and second time it tested these levels on May 28th. Now I don't find that we are going to see Bank Nifty to touch these levels once again. Therefore, I find that on May 31st, if the Bank Nifty opens with a gap down below the level of 31,500, we will find the Bank Nifty to remain under bearish pressure during the days ahead. So friends, this is my expected trading zone in a 4-hour chart time frame. Let us see this move in an hourly time frame. Here in an hourly chart, you can see that continuously on May 30th, Bank Nifty has faced stiff resistance amid this zone at the current levels, and I find that this stiff resistance, friends, this is an hourly chart of Bank Nifty. Here you can see how the Bank Nifty has been constantly facing resistance at the level of 31,580, where I find that this may result in a gap down opening on May 31st. Therefore, the need of the hour is to keep a visual eye over the upcoming announcements from the newly formed government, that how they are going to tackle this problem of going non-performing assets of the banks, whether the newly formed government is going to provide more autonomy to Reserve Bank of India to tackle these problems with full autonomy. I find we will see the Bank Nifty to remain steady. Otherwise, the Bank Nifty will remain under strong bearish pressure during the days ahead, and I find that a move below the levels of 30,000, where the 200 days may provide some support, where if the Bank Nifty make a sustainable move below the 200 days moving average, I find that a move below the level of 29,700 will result in more downward moves till the June 6, 2019. Therefore, I find that the overall trend in Bank Nifty will remain bearish during the days ahead, and I find that any upward move in Bank Nifty up to the level of 31,500 will attract more viewers to go short in Bank Nifty. Therefore, I find that during this downward move, I find Bank Nifty to test the level of 29,000 before June 6, 2019. So friends, be ready to see an action in Bank Nifty till June 6, 2019. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.